Yo guys, what's up? Jonas here, and in today's video I'm bringing you solutions to the cannot connect to server error or the login failed error on PS4. And I know that it's Christmas vacation now and everybody's done from school and work and stuff and they have some free time to play, but unluckily they're facing some issue regarding their internet, their network connection, or even logging into their PS4. So today I'm gonna bring you some fixes for that. But since we're starting a new year, I kind of decided to do a small change in my videos. First thing, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to the channel if you have subscribed already. I usually do not ask people to subscribe to my channel, but I'm gonna start to do that. I hope it doesn't annoy anyone, but it really helps me out if you subscribe. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm on my way to 6,000 subscribers and hopefully 10,000 if I'll ever be able to reach that goal. But if not, I'm gonna also ask you to like this video if it worked for you and leave a comment if it did because it helps people a lot. And comments that help people a lot is today's topic because I decided to, instead of me going ahead and bringing you my personal fixes, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you the fixes that other people commented on my videos and they said that it worked, and we're gonna review also the replies of other people. So what I mean by that is I'm gonna review the comments that worked for people, not just somebody writing a random thing. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you multiple fixes. So without further introduction, let's start with the first fix and the first comment. Okay, so the first comment says, all I did was unplug my PS4 power cord and then I unplugged everything from the router, waited about 5 minutes, plugged my router all back in, waited for it to boot up, then plugged my power cord back in for my PS4 and it should connect by itself. If not, try connecting manually. So basically what this guy's saying here too is to hold the power button on your controller, turn off your PS4, unplug it from the wall, from like unplug the power cord, go ahead and do the same process with your router, let them stay shut down for about 5 minutes and then replug everything back in, and then wait for it. You can click on your friend list to see if your friends display that means it connected. If it didn't, you're gonna go ahead and connect manually, go to settings, network setup, internet connection, and from here choose either Wi-Fi or wireless. It depends on what you are using. Let's move on to the second command that says rebuild the database, and as soon as you are into your PS desktop, he means the main screen, put your DNS as 8.8.8.8 as primary and secondary 8.8.4.4, which are Google's DNS, and then MTU as 1473, and then go to account management and then sign in and it will work then. Okay, so basically what you have to do is to go to settings again on your PS4, network settings, and then you're gonna go ahead and go to set up internet connection. You choose again wired or Wi-Fi depending on what you are using, and then you're gonna go ahead and choose custom, and then for your IP address you say automatic, you choose, and then for the DNS you change them to Google's DNS, and then when asking for MTU you said you write 1473, and then you're gonna go ahead to go back to settings, account management, and the first button says sign in, you're gonna press sign in. Now the third and last fix for today is by someone who said, log out of the account that this error is occurring. Okay. Log into another PS4 account. Spaces network sign in worked in this account for me. Then log out of the present account. Finally log into your main account, go to network settings and make sure that the DNS is Google and MTU. Finally sign into PlayStation Network. So this guy is kind of telling you the same thing as the last guy, but the thing, something that he said, and again I'm gonna add a little thing from me, like when you're gonna log out of your account and log into your other account, log back into the main account, and if it doesn't work, go ahead and sign out. Make sure you know your password though. You have to know your password, or yes or less you won't be able to sign back in. Go ahead, sign out, turn off your PS4 and everything, turn it back on, sign in, reboot the password, and this should work for you. This is kind of fix that I know and I read somewhere in the comment, but I can't really find it right now. But this is it. This is a better version of this comment. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. 3 fixes. I hope they work for you. If they did, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, which is very important. Also make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.